So most of the time we use 4-thread overlocking seam for working with knit fabrics or with stretchy but woven fabrics. This seam will be stretchable, it will be stretching together with the fabric, and it will be stitching and overlocking at the same time. So first needle will be stitching parts together. The second needle will be reinforcing the connection between two details and also taking part in the overlocking seam. And these two loopers will be kind of locking all this seam in between. So upper looper will go above and lower threads will go at the bottom of the seam. So at the same time it will be locking two needle seams and also preventing edge of fabric from fraying or from unraveling. So I will install now the second needle. Then I will thread this needle. And after threading, I will put it under the presser foot to the back, facing to the back. And for each thread, I will stop the same now thread tension on number 3, just to have the same balance, and then I will adjust it when needed. I will adjust a little bit the width of the cutting line. I will make it a little bit wider. So this is how it will look with the 4 threads. So we have one needle for stitching, second needle for reinforcing, see, and overlocking. Upper looper goes at the top, lower looper goes at the bottom, and also connecting with both needle stitching lines, see. I also adjusted needle thread tension for the left needle, made it a little bit tighter, so the back of the seam looks now absolutely flat, and also both details connected much more tight. If I try to pull it, you see, you can't pull them apart like we did in a previous example to make flat lock seam. See, of course we will use white threads for stitching white fabric, so you will not see these little dark dots in between. This seam is absolutely stretchable, it's flexible, and at the same time it will be stitching parts together and also overlocking the edge of fabric. And plus this seam looks very accurate, it's not very big, it's the maximum on this machine will be 6.5 millimeters, so you can make it 5, 6. This one is 6 millimeters wide, so it looks very good and very accurate.